Michael Schmidt, the founder of Hansa Yachts, created his own shipyard and had an 80-footer built, designed by Lorenzo Argento and built for him, which launched here 2 years ago, the Cannes Boat Show. And it was one that divided opinion, but it was a very cool boat, very different, breath of fresh air. It was mint green, it was called Cool Breeze, and now we're here aboard the follow-up to that, the second version of this, which is a semi-raised version, again by Lorenzo Argento. They've changed it around, they've changed the deck around, and it's a very different looking yacht. Yeah, and with the footstep up. Yeah. Designer Lorenzo Argento just demonstrating. That's Italian design right there.
We took it from Volvo. Volvo did it first.
Mixed with Volvo Ocean Race.
Yeah.
So basically the difference is from the first boat, the flush deck version, are that it's been flipped around. You don't notice too much difference on deck, other than details, but then that escape hatch there gives the game away that the accommodation has been flipped around, and the crew accommodation is now aft, guest accommodation forward. So you still get these funky biminis and a huge guest cockpit area. And the design is around that bulwark there that gives a sense of privacy to the coach roof windows inside. Very flush foredeck area. And this one keeps the same bulwark running all the way through to aft, whereas the first one stepped the design. So it really is, the hull is the same, but the deck design and interior is completely different. And then you come below and it's a lot more of a conventional interior. So if you remember Cool Breeze, the David Chipperfield interior, which was very open plan, whereas this was designed by Design Unlimited and is a more conventional layout. Nice having those all-round views looking out forward as well from the saloon. Machinery under the floor, and then, as I say, guest accommodation all forward. You get a sort of corridor effect with splitting the three cabins. This one has more of a pipe cot above the double. And they're full composite boats, built by the hulls and decks built in carbon by Rager in Poland. You build for a lot of manufacturers now, like Vismara and Melius, and serious structure in these. And then walking into the owner's cabin, again, there's a sort of separation here, but that is the bed head. So the bed head's creating the privacy to have that island berth in the middle. Fair amount of wow factor to the interior. The details remain from the first boat. There's very cool leather latches. Nice light switches, and this has got C-Smart hatches, which nice machined grips on them. Lots of lighting detail to make everything look like it's floating, indirect lighting above and below all the furniture. The use of it there, you see it's backlighting the main bulkhead there. So Lorenzo Argento, who designed the boat, really wanted to make sure that the framework of the boat still stood out, that it still looked like a yacht, which he very much did on the first boat, and that was celebrated. And Design Unlimited have made sure to keep that going here. Quite a funky head and shower split by that bulkhead there. Quite a lot of leather used on the panels. And then the galley remains in the same place where it was before, slightly further aft, but in a passageway which can be sealed off for crew. Good space for that, and a nice little mess area aft where they can chill out, including a sofa and crew accommodation for 3 in that aft area there. An escape hatch back out